Sermon number 4. His far-sightedness, and his staunch conviction, in belief. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Through us you got guidance in the darkness and secured high position, and through us you got out of the gloomy night. The ears which do not listen to the cries may become deaf. How can one who remained deaf to the loud cries of the Quran and the Prophet listen to my feeble voice? The heart that has ever palpitated with fear of Allah may get peace. I always apprehended from you consequences of treachery, and I had seen you through in the garb of the deceitful. The curtain of religion had kept me hidden from you, but the truth of my intentions disclosed you to me. I stood for you on the path of truth among misleading tracks, where you met each other but there was no leader, and you dug but got no water. Today I am making these dumb things speak to you, that is my suggestive ideas and deep musings etc., which are full of descriptive power. The opinion of the person who abandons me may get astray. I have never doubted in the truth since it has been shown to me. Moses did not entertain fear for his own self. Rather he apprehended mastery of the ignorant and a way of deviation. Today we stand on the crossroads of truth and untruth. The one who is sure of getting water feels no thirst,